memory card first time I went out. So this isn't the legit first time out, but we're gonna pretend that it is. So I did everything I said I wasn't gonna do. And that was my first 10 ever. Back in and start putting the transmission in, but I decided I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's try it. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I put all this stuff in here, twin turbo, and then put the Terminator X-Max on it, and then I take it to the track once. It will trigger the relay, and then power will come back out this side. You can see it already has some learning happening on the learning table. So once it hits 160 degrees, it starts learning. All right, so unfortunately this engine did show it had exhaust gas in the coolant system. I got the heads off, and then we have the motor completely apart. So just minor things happening before tomorrow. Slam it back together, go to the track tomorrow and run an 8. When you put this together, this part has to be inside of this manual valve there. Input shaft and forward drum is going to be all connected. Leave it just like it came out. So then we're going to pull the direct drum out. This one's a little tricky. So we'll tighten this guy down. Put this guy on here. Alrighty, fellers. So that's about it. Pans on. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go set the code for the reduced engine power, and I'll show you that. And I'm going to disable that code. So it's a P0068. It's like a MAF correlation code. Burst knock, it didn't show any burst knock, but I looked at my intake temp and it's pulling timing for intake temps. Is to do a triple turbo setup on this. That's why I have 3 turbos here. So I'm committed. It's happening. Alrighty, fellas, it's time to do the giveaway. So we're going to start the video with the giveaway. I'm giving away this oil pressure fitting. To see me struggle a bunch and have a bunch of problems, this is the video for you. So the car started on fire today. Pretty happy with it. Turned out pretty good. Also polished them. Like I put the things in the drill and spun it in the drill on a Scotch-Brite.